Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. I'm so excited to try out this brand today. This is the brand Context Skin, and I have here the matte lipstick in the shade Tears Are Falling 116, and I just got this in my January 2022 Boxycharm base box, and I was really excited because I had not heard of this brand before. And then I just got my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and I also got products from Context Skin. And I was looking this brand up online, and I really like the look of it. It's a lot of very like sleek, minimalist kind of packaging. So I really like the aesthetic of this brand, but it also has clean ingredients, it seems like, and a great range of products. So this product here, the matte lipstick, comes in a bunch of shades. It cost $20, and I also love that it has really great nourishing ingredients in it for my very dry lips. So it says antioxidants and botanical oils provide nutrients that condition and protect skin from free radical damage. Lips are left supple and moisturized with a velvety matte finish. This creamy formula glides on and pampers lips with intense hydration, provides a full coverage, rich demi-matte look without the dryness. So that really sounds great for me because I have very dry lips. So let's go ahead and see how this is. So here is the packaging, and it's a classic twist up bullet lipstick. Classic shape here. I do like actually that it's a little bit rounded at the top, so that's a little different than the classic shape. And I'm excited to see how this shade is gonna look. Let's start out with a swatch. Ooh, pretty and pigmented, and I like this shade. It's very similar to my natural lip tone, so I think it's gonna be kind of a your lips but better, which I love. I think those are very flattering shades to find. So here is that swatch, very creamy feel to it. And so now let's see how it looks on me. I do kind of hesitate because most of the time if I'm wearing a bullet lipstick like this, I'm going to be wearing a lip liner so that I have more of a precise shape to my lips, but I'm just going to try my best here. Also, this smells nice. I don't think it really has like a fragrance to it, but it does smell slightly sweet. Ooh, that is actually very quick and easy to apply, and it kind of has like a thin feel to it, a thin formula, but it's very comfortable, creamy, moisturizing on the lips, just like it claimed. And what do you think of the color? I think it's really pretty. It's a little darker than my natural lip color, so it does emphasize the lips, like adds some glam to the face. So it's really pretty and a very pretty texture as well. Very smooth on the lips and very hydrating. Like my lips do not look the least bit chapped anymore. They actually look smoothed out as if I had applied like a nourishing lip product, which I guess I did, but most of the time bullet lipsticks like this are not so smoothing and moisturizing. So I'm really glad to see that this is living up to that claim. And it's opaque color, even, smooth. So it really looks beautiful on the lips. And even without a lip liner, the edges are crisp. I was able to get the precise shape that I wanted. So I am really excited about this right now. And I would say the finish, it's not super matte. It really is kind of like a creamy finish. It looks so good. I'm just so excited about how my lips are looking right now. The only downside to this though is I think there's going to be a lot of transfer, especially because it feels so hydrated on my lips. Let's go ahead and see. You know, that's slightly less than I was expecting, but that still is like a full kiss mark pretty much. Like that's still kind of a lot of transfer. Ooh. It still looks really good on my lips though. It did fade slightly from that transfer, so it's not going to be a super long lasting lip product through eating and drinking, but it really was super quick and easy to apply even without a lip liner. And when it comes to bullet lipsticks like this, I just have to expect that it's gonna come off with eating and drinking and have transfer. So that's why this format of lipstick is not my favorite, but as far as this type of lipstick goes, this really is a beautiful formula, a beautiful version. The color is beautiful, feels so comfortable on my lips. So I really do like this. I'm so glad that I got a few more products from Context Skin to try out this month. But if you've tried any other products, I would love to hear your thoughts on them. Let me know if you have any recommendations of other Context Skin makeup products that I should try. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.